all love to attend parties, don't we? Yes. We all go to a lot of formal and informal, parties which we love to enjoy. And we meet people, we greet people there, right? So today I'm going to talk about some formal and informal parties like festivals, birthday celebration, weddings, engagement, and office parties like annual events or traditional day or a job fair for that matter. So all these events, how do we talk to people and how to meet and greet people in these events with in English. So we'll talk about small talks or short conversations which we can make in English with people with whom we meet in these events. So guys, please subscribe my video and watch my videos so that you get an idea of how to speak and what to speak when we meet people in these events. Let's get started. We are going to talk about some informal events first, like if you are going for a wedding or an engagement party or a birthday party or any festivals we are celebrating and we are meeting people during festivals. So when we go to these parties, what we can say, what conversations we can have with people. So of course, when we go there, we see a lot of people around. So we say, hi, how are you? How are you doing? And then we can talk about like, oh wow, you're wearing a beautiful dress. Where did you buy this from? Even I was thinking of buying this dress. Can you please help me with the address? So you are understanding. So these we can have for informal conversations during these parties or events. Or for that matter, if you're going to the bride and groom or to the engagement couple or to the birthday boy or girl, so you can always say like, hi, congratulations on your wedding, congratulations on your engagement, or happy birthday. And then you can further say, it's a nice venue, the food, the decoration, everything is awesome, we really enjoyed it. See how simple is this? You can always go to the person and convey your best wishes to them, right? And if you meet other guests, you can always talk to them about their dress or their jewelry or even the food or the weather, anything you can talk about. So these are the small conversations which you can make with people while you attend these functions or parties, right? Coming to the formal events like if you attend a conference, if you attend an annual meeting or annual event at your company, or if there is a traditional day, or in case if you are want to attend a job fair. So what conversations you can have there? So for example, if you are in a conference and you meet a lot of people there, so during the break you can go, or if somebody is sitting beside you, so you can always talk to them about, hi, how are you? So these are the basics, like, hi, how are you? And then you can talk about like, how did you hear this? Where did you hear this from? Like about this event. You can talk about that event, like where did you hear about this event from? And where do you stay? So how long have you come here? So all these kind of conversations you can have with the person, right? Now if you are in a annual event of the company, so of course everybody is dressed well, there are performances, there is DJ, there's food, everything is there. So you can obviously chat with people or talk to people like, hi, so are you having fun? There's a DJ there, come let's dance. Or did you had food, or do you want to have some food? Come let's have some food. So these are the things we can ask, or we can have conversation about. Or we can always say, oh, the performances are awesome. Did you enjoy the performance? So these are the small things which we can come up with, and we can start talking to people, in English. Then coming to the job fair. When you go to a job fair, there are a lot of, people over there. So you can go to the counters and you can say that, hi, I'm looking for an IT job. So if you can help me out with that. Or if you can ask them like, what are the hot jobs in IT nowadays? what are the salary packages which are given, and how is the, what is the job scenario right now. So you can ask a lot of questions and get the answers from people, right? And these are not tough conversations, or not, the conversations which you will probably, get fearful about or forget. So these are basic sentences which you can plan before, which you can prepare in your head, and then approach somebody and then start talking to that person. You will find it very helpful, guys, trust me on this. And this will improve your communication skills, this will improve your speech, and this will improve your hesitancy as well. You will stop hesitating after a period of time, and of course it will start coming out naturally to you. So keep practicing these tips and start performing. See you. Bye bye.